If you go to Montpelier, North Dakota, you will find a small school. If you go into the school, then proceed to the basement. You will find yourself at the door of a boiler room. Go into the boiler room, and you will see blood splattered on the walls. On closer inspection, the blood forms a pattern of words. Before you can read the blood, the lights turn off. You try to leave, but the door has slammed shut and is locked. It's said that 50 years ago, some punk kids locked the janitor in the boiler room while it was malfunctioning, exploded, and killed the janitor and the children. The spirit of the janitor now haunts the school and lures children into the boiler room, where he murders them in an act of revenge against those punks that killed him.